Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 18, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market this morning, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by $5.50 to $20.38 per contract. Again, futures had a big sell-off yesterday. We'll see how the market plays out today, but we are under a little bit of pressure ahead of the opening bell. One thing I want to point out, this coming Friday will be options expiration. That tells us there'll be a lot of game playing by the institutions today and tomorrow. So again, they have a certain idea where they want to ping stocks to. That's the way it works during options X. And again, we'll see how it plays out. But right now, overall, the futures are down a little bit ahead of the opening bell. All right, let's look at some stocks in the news because that's where the money's going to be made today. First one we're going to start off with today is Target. TGT is the ticker symbol. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is getting hammered to the downside. Closed at $73.61. It is now trading at $67.90. Did trade briefly down as low as $67. I'm going to have some gap levels here for us in the intraday stock chat room. But again, my levels are a little bit lower. In the interim, it looks like around this 67.50 level. We'll see if the market can hold. But I will have exact gap levels in the intraday stock chat room right at 9:30 a.m. All right, let's look at a couple stocks falling in sympathy to Target. That's Walmart. Walmart, one of the bigger competitors there. Stock right now is trading at $62.80. I'm seeing support for Walmart at $61.60, so keep that on the radar today. Also, Costco is getting hammered. Costco is down pretty sharply, trading at $139.66. I was looking down yesterday at around the 142 level, and we have surpassed that. So I do think Costco will be on my radar today for a potential play. Right off the bat, when I look at the stock, with the way that it's sold off here, I have to think around 137 is going to be a very, very good level. I'm actually going to put gap levels up in the intraday stock chat room for Costco. So I think that one can be played today. Those gap levels will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. Sticking with the retail theme, let's take a look at Staples. I believe they had earnings as well. Stock is trading at 8.25, closed at 8.28. No real big change there. Again, this is just an ugly, ugly name. I have no interest in it right now unless it gives us a pattern once the opening bell rings. So be careful here. But again, the stock is basically right where it closed yesterday. Let's take a look at Sonic, SONC. It looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $30, closed at $32.53. The only level that I'm seeing here now for this stock would be probably around $26.75. You get to $26.75, I like this stock on the long side. But that's the only level I'll be interested in at the moment. Maybe once the opening bell rings, we'll look at it a little closer. 200-day moving average on a daily is 29.61. There might be some support there. So we'll keep that on the radar. But I really do like 26.75 should the stock trade down there. Let's take a look at ADI, which is Analog Devices. The stock right now is trading at $54.50, closed at $55.37. So that's coming under a little bit of pressure. We'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. I have levels for this, but it is much, much lower, more around the 47 level. I don't think we're going to see that right off the bat. Let's take a look at VipShop. VIPS is the ticker symbol here. This stock is getting hit a little bit today as well. Closed at $12.31, now trading at $10.52. This is a pretty good decline. The only level that interests me in this name is around $8.75. Keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at everybody's favorite salami maker, Hormel. Let's take a look here. Stock is trading at $38.89. Closed at $38.80. Did briefly pop up, came back down. No play on it whatsoever right now. We will look at this one once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Google today. We'll call it Alphabet now. Looks like they're going to have their annual developer conference. Again, I'm not sure what to make out of it one way or the other. It's basically right at the same price where it closed at $720.19. Right now it's trading at $720.60. So no big movement there. Google has a lot of support around 704, 700. There's a lot of support there. So we'll see if that level can hold. But again, that's the only level that really interests me on the downside right now as far as Alphabet, or Google as it should be called. But either way, that's the only level that I would be interested in. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil is trading up another 47 cents today to $48.78 a barrel. Crude rallying again this morning. So again, crude had a huge move yesterday above the 48 level. And then today it's trading above it again. Right now, if you take a look at the USO, that's trading at 1182. It's a little bit off of its highs this morning. USO is a good oil ETF to use. Now, if we take a look at gold today, you're going to see gold futures trading down about $4. It's right to around the 1273 level. Let's take a look at the GLD this morning. GLD is trading at 121.51, closed at 122.22. So all in all, gold is slipping a little bit. Oil is popping. What gives? I don't know. We'll see how it plays out here. But either way, all of this is going to be on the radar today in the intraday stock chat room and more. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. We're going to have lots of stocks in play today. Target, Walmart, Costco, Lowe's. Oh, I did not talk about Lowe's. Let's go to LOW. They reported earnings as well. It looks like this stock is trading at $76.50. Again, closed at $76.07 yesterday. So getting a little bit of an uptick today, but not all that much. But the stock is holding up, at least from what I can see. So we'll be looking at Lowe's today, Sonic, Hormel, Google, just a bunch of names out here. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial and you'll see everything that we are doing. And we should have one or two gap plays in the morning chat room posted at 9 a.m. All right, with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.